First, we begin with developing news on the controversial shooting death of a Florida teen. We've learned second-degree murder charges have been filed against a neighborhood watchman in the death of Trayvon Martin.
After a month and a half of tension and unanswered questions, George Zimmerman is now in custody.
The case has drawn national attention, and tonight we wanted to know how Rhode Islanders felt about today's decision. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us live from the mobile newsroom with what he's learned.
Well, the charge is a monumental update in an investigation that's taken the nation by storm. I spoke with Rhode Islanders on both sides of this polarizing case. George Zimmerman, arrested and now charged with second-degree murder for the death of Trayvon Martin. Trayvon's family celebrated the news.
For the last 44 days, it has been a nightmare. And this is coming from a mother's perspective. I have been up and down as if I was on a roller coaster. But I know, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that justice will be served.
Rhode Islanders also reacted. Does George Zimmerman deserve to be behind bars?
Yes, he does. He murdered a kid.
If we weren't there, who are we to judge and say that he committed those crimes? But God knows.
He killed an innocent black person just because of his color and his race.
Zimmerman turned himself into authorities and is being held in an unknown location. Prosecutors wouldn't say what specific evidence led them to the charge.
Detail by detail, piece of evidence by piece of evidence, factual evidence, physical evidence, testimonial evidence. That's why we try cases in a courtroom.
Zimmerman's attorneys have argued self-defense. The case has faced heavy media coverage and protests across the nation.
So much information got released on this case that never should have been released. We have to protect this investigation and this prosecution for Trayvon, for his family, and for George Zimmerman.
Now, if convicted of second-degree murder, Zimmerman faces a mandatory minimum of 20 years behind bars. He'll be arraigned in court tomorrow, and his lawyer says he will plead not guilty. Reporting live at the mobile newsroom, I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.